Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Secure 7. Today we are diving into the world of Linux with the 9 essential commands every beginner needs to master. Whether you are new Linux or brushing up your skills, this video will makes you feel like a terminal pro. Stick around, hit the like button, and let's get started. Let's kick things off with the commands that helps you move around and explore your Linux system. First up with the ls, which is a list. This command lists all the files and directories in your current folder. Think of it like opening a drawer and see what's inside. Try ls-l for a detail with permissions and size, or ls-a as so hidden files super handy. And as you can see here, there is a hidden files like dot auxiliary, X authority, X session errors, X Z profiles.sh file is not showing in this directory, which is ls-l, and which is showing in ls-a. Next command is the cd. Next we have a cd, which is stand for a change directory. It's how you move between folders. For example, cd documents take you into the documents folders. Want to back, use cd dot dot to jump to your home directory. Just type cd with the no arguments. Just you can see on the screen, which is a documents. Go to documents folder, and here you can see we moved into the documents folder. So let's back into the our original directory, which is cd. We use the cd dot dot without any argument, and we back into the home kali. Okay. So ever wonder where you are in the Linux file system? pw print working directory tells you exactly that. It outputs the full path of your current locations like a GPS for your terminal. Like we just type pwd and where we are in the Kali Linux directory is showing here. Now that you can navigate, let's talk about viewing files. So fourth command is cat. The cat command displays the entire content of a file right in your terminal. For example, cat, we use ls here. Sorry, ls here, and we opening the sql.txt here, which is with using cat sql.txt, hit enter, and showing all the details which is saved in the file, which is sql.txt. It's great for a quick fix at a small files, but it's not ideal for huge ones. For a bigger files, use more. It lets you view a file one page at a time. Press the spacebar to scroll down, or Q for quiet. It's like reading a book, page by page. We use the more command, and just we type sql.txt here. Okay, and as you can see here, this is not a big file, so we choose the big file, which is as here. And there is a big file is like nav.php is a big file. Okay, so we go with the, and as you can see, this is a 23% of the file, and you spacing your like space bar, click the space bar, and you can see 92, and all files are synced. Even better than more is less. It's like a mod, but with the superpowers. You can scroll up and down with the arrow key, search with a forward slash, and exit with the Q. Perfect for browsing large files without overwhelming your terminal. We use the ls and rev render. Here you can use your arrow with scrolling up and down, and you can just Q button for a quite the process. Let's move on to the finding files and making changes. We use locate. Lost a file, locate is your search buddy. It quickly finds files by name across your system. For example, locate like rev.php here, hit enter. And here is the rev.php in our system. There is many files like rev.php showing here. Run sudo update db first. If your search comes up empty, it updates the file database. Nano needs to edit a file. Nano is the beginner friendly text editor. Type nano sql.txt here and hit enter, and you can see and you are in. Edit your text, then press Ctrl O to save and Ctrl X for exit, and you can just type Ctrl X for the exit. It's simple and perfect for quick changes. Now last command is sudo. Last but not least, sudo. This command lets you run tasks as a super user. Thinks of it as an admin mode. For example, sudo apt get update and updates your system packages. Be careful, through the sudo gives you a lot of power. So double check your commands. This terminal is already sudo, and this terminal is not sudo. So let's switch sudo here, sudo here, and make it admin. Make it sudo user, and you can just type your password here, and it will be hit run. And here is the sudo user. Here you have it, 9 command to kickstart your terminal journey. Practice this and you will be navigating Linux like a boss in no time. So this is the questions you answering the comment down, which is what does the ls command do? These are the options here. And this is the second question, which is which command would you use to move to the parent directory? Here is the options. And you can just comment down on the video. Let me know which command is your favorite. Drop it in the comment below and let me know what other Linux topics you want to see. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the more tips, tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will be see you in the next one. Happy hacking, happy learning.